Hi, everybody. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to delete group chat on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Give it a like. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Messages on iPhone. Then find the message that we want to delete. If it's a group chat. I don't have that in my example, but let's say we select this message where we have a group chat. Swipe to the right and hit delete. After that, it says delete. We press delete, but it's not completely deleted. It's in our recently deleted ones. To do that, click Edit in the upper left corner. Then click on Show Recently Deleted. And this will show all the messages that we have ever deleted in the recently deleted messages. And in order to select any of these messages, to delete them completely, we need to select, let's say, these messages and press delete. And carefully read what it says here and press delete message. You can also select all of them and delete them. Then click Done and exit. That's how easy it is to delete group chat on iPhone. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.